All right, what's up, guys? So I want to shoot a quick one, just give you a heads up, couple reminders too, show you what I'm working on. Got this Jeep Wrangler from the body shop that sends us cars here. This thing came in pretty bad. Let me show you guys what it looked like coming in. So yeah, pretty bad. That spare tire on there was off another car. I don't even know. I had to get that back to the body shop once we racked it up here, but you guys can see it here. They got the clip off of it, but he wrecked this thing pretty good. I got the spindle off this side. I finally got the axle out, sitting on the ground there. The body shop's not gonna do the axle. I talked him into doing a new hub assembly. Obviously the new spindle. We got the shock got damaged. We got a new shock we're gonna be putting on. The trailing arm got some pushed in. But yeah, this guy did a number on this one, but this is kind of where I'm at with it. Got everything tied up out of the way. I dropped down the dampener. Got the links off, getting ready to drop this thing. Just pretty much got the mounts left. But yeah, this thing is, I'm surprised this thing was still rolling on its own. That diff is pretty bad. Looks like he was driving on the rim. I don't know what the old rim looks like, but you know, this guy continued to drive this thing. Looks pretty bad. Rubbing on the frame here. But working on this one. And then here's the new one. It's always cool putting brand new stuff up. This stuff's straight from Mopar. I love putting dealership parts on there. Here's the old spindle. Not really sure if that was bad or not, but better safe than sorry. You could have a hairline stress crack in it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. I got the new shock and bar there. And then they got them for a new rim, new tire. So getting this one taken care of. Probably have this done in another hour or so. The bulk of it's pretty much done. Got the drive shaft off too. Not too bad on these. Basically pull your spindle, you know, take off the brake caliper, pull your spindle out, get the ABS wire out of there. That goes with the hub. This one we're reusing. Pull the axles out, and then just basically all the mounts that hold the differential up, set it down, and then drop the truck, you know, lift the truck off of it, switch everything out, and then set the truck back down, set up the springs, and then the weight of the truck will push the springs down, line everything up. Not too bad. But that's pretty much what's going on in the shop today on Thursday, Tuesday, I don't even know what day it is today, Wednesday.
Shut up and sit down.
Some quick progress, getting ready to drop the truck down on the diff. Got it all set up. I actually had to adjust this spring perch and repaint it. I had to heat it up. It was pushed in, it was bent in, so I had to heat it up and pry it back out, kind of straighten it out a bit, and then we repainted it. And then there was also some scuffing right here. I repainted that. Make the frame look real nice. So we get ready to set these springs up, drop this truck down, line everything up. All right, guys. It's about another 20 minutes later. I got this bad boy back up there, all lined up. Got most of the arms holding onto it again. The lower trailing arm, the upper support arms. Got the front drive shaft back on there. Links are back on there. So the diff's in place. Got the track bar back on there. Links on this side. So pop these spindles on, get those axles in and everything, throw the hubs on. We'll check back with you in a minute. All right. Got it all done. Turned out real nice. Man, I could do this type of work all day long. Brand new OEM parts, no rust. Whew. Took me about an hour 10 minutes to get it up through everything. They actually don't give you, this differential comes with an upper and lower ball joints, but they don't give you the nuts to put on there, so I gotta reuse the nuts. I actually had them scattered because I thought I would be getting new ones, so I had to relocate them and all that stuff. But there it is. You can see the before and after. The tires are sitting straight now. Let's get this thing aligned. This guy will be ready to go. Send it back to the body shop, let them put the panels back on and shoot it, paint it. I don't know what they're gonna do, but easy money, guys. So I just wanted to do the quick one, the process on the Jeep here. You know, Jeeps hold a special place in my heart. I own Jeeps. I've had Jeeps my, you know, whole mechanic career, pretty much ever since I've been driving. You know, they hold their value. They're a great car, especially for this area, snow and all that stuff. But just a quick reminder, guys, we got the December giveaway. Make sure you guys are getting on that. Watch that video, get in on that. Be there on the first live stream on December 22nd, and I will be reaching out to the Solus Ultra giveaway this month. You guys want to join in on the fun, make sure you're subscribed, get in on the giveaways. I also got, we did some upgrades here too. I got a new camera. I'm actually not shooting, I'm still shooting on my older Sony camera, but I got a new Cyber Shot here. And then I got a new Dell laptop for editing and all that stuff. A little bit of an upgrade. It's actually cool how I got this stuff. I got vendors that I use for parts and all that stuff. You know, being a shop owner, these vendors, you know, want the business and all that stuff. And one of the vendors I use, I get points for. So, you know, every time I buy a part or you spend a certain amount each month, you get the points, they add it up. I had like 350,000 points, so I figure knock out a few things, you know, upgrade the channel, get some more quality videos out there for you guys. You know, not to say I don't like the camera I have and all that stuff, but maybe on some of these how-tos and things like that, we could do, you know, like different scenes or different, we could do different points of view and things like that, you know, different angles and stuff that we're doing and all that stuff. But I figure it's cool. You know, I needed a camera upgrade. Slowly making the channel better, grow with the channel and things like that. So, all right, guys, I'll catch you on the 22nd. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Catch me on Instagram at CasperTech54. Grab those JRC 54 decals if you want to support the channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Signing out.